feel, Jesse? Take me there. I've never been there before. How's it feel? On the like bottom feeding of the go-kart here. I'd like to experience that. Just so I see what everybody else feels.
Sore.
Because I can tell you how it feels to be on top. It feels pretty good. So,
I'll tell you how it feels. I can tell you how it feels, but I was taking it the first time. So it really doesn't explain to you. Hey, Mom, look.
victory dance.
Look, Mama. If we don't have another go
I
round,
can't see from so far away. I'm number one. Everybody else is. What? I don't see what.
when we have another go round, well, it really shows who's the winner.
Yeah, you said that 2 years ago. I'm still waiting. Still
2 years
waiting.
ago, last year was my first time ever driving.
Yeah, but
Speaking of driving, look at this.
with losers. Calling.
I'm the winner.